Now when you do this, you're going to end up getting 4,166 minus 3,478, which gives you 688. Okay. Now when you get to 688, I'm going to repeat the following procedure. So I'm going to do step 2. I'm on the second part of step 2. So I'm just going to call this step 2 anyways. I'm going to get 688 step 2 divided by step 1. So I'm going to get negative 2 for my y. Okay. Are we good so far? So I know this is the second part of this video, but we're almost done. This is a long drawn out process, but I think sometimes this is better than just going out and solving it with substitution and elimination, especially if it's on 3 dimension. So I'm hoping everyone got this. And for our next step, we really don't need step number 1, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And here's the reason why. We found x and we found y, and we know exactly what those are. So let's go ahead and display those. We know that our x is going to be in x, y, z form. Here's x, here's my y, here's my z. And my x was negative 4, and my y was negative 2. We just found it. In order to find z, all I'm going to do is pick one of these equations and plug it in. And I just happen to pick the very first one. I have negative 9x plus 5y plus 3z is equal to 50. All I'm going to do is just plug it in. So I get negative 9 times negative 4. Is that right? Plus 5. Ooh, 5 times, maybe I have to write that again. Plus 5 times negative 2. And plus 3z is equal to 50. Work that out. 26 minus 10 is plus 3z is equal to 50. 26 plus 3z is equal to 50. I'm going to go to move it up here. Now I'm going to subtract 26 from both sides. So I'm going to get 3z is equal to 24. So z is equal to 8. Once I find that out, I'm going to put it right here. And that right there would be our final answer. Now, when you're working on 2x2 equations, it's basically the same thing, but you only have to find one letter. For example, if you find x, all you have to do is just go back and plug it back in to find y. But in this case, since we have 3 different letters, we had to find at least 2 to find the last one by plugging it in. Okay. I really hope this helped. And if you need anything else, please let me know. I know